With just over 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all four corners. Lexus prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power front seats, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic temperature control, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.